I just realized that actually someone told me about this. I did not create a Simon, how did you forget? I did not create a playlist for Ladakh 2.0. Ladakh 2018 ka playlist hai, but the new Ladakh playlist is not there. You know, there is a small YouTube glitch. Whenever I upload a video, I have an option to put it directly into a playlist. But then what happens with that is, after I upload the video, even if I keep the video unlisted, people can still watch it if they have subscribed to the playlist. I'm pretty sure YouTube knows this, but somehow they did not rectify it. Anyway, it doesn't matter now. I'll be creating a playlist for Ladakh 2.0. In case you're new to the channel, I've done Ladakh twice. First time on the Dark Horse, which was my Triumph Tiger. Second time is on a different bike, that's the Emperor, which I call it. It's on the BMW 1250 GS Adventure. Anyways, welcome back to the channel. What's up guys? Case say hope everyone is doing great. Last video, if you remember, I said this. Abhi, you can say Sriman keeps showing a lot of stuff unboxing karke, but I think this one deserves a proper separate vlog. I gave a lot of hype. Shoes, obviously. So this particular vlog is going to be dedicated to my latest purchase of my favorite shoes. One of my favorite shoes. I wanted this in my collection, but for now this is going to be a dedicated shoe vlog in case you guys are not into shoes. Especially if you're a guy, I think you'll be interested in it. In case you're not, come back later. More important thing, yesterday, in case you guys remember, I put a story on Instagram, this particular one. I'm not using these shoes much, the Lebrons, because they have a harder sole. Usually recommended that you have a harder sole when you're doing like heavy workouts, because you have more stability under your feet. So I thought I'll try these shoes out for the workout. But as you can see, I removed my shoes and working out. These are the Lebrons that I'm wearing. I thought it's got a stiff sole, so I thought I'll use them for my leg workout. It has this little bit of cushion here and doesn't seem to work, so flop. Once again I'm working out bare feet. Actually I'll have to even remove my socks and work out. So unfortunately, here's the verdict. Lebrons are not for working out. Anyway, Sriman, how did this happen? From when are you into shoes? I guess this channel has always been about travel and bikes, but then I had this part of myself hidden. I mean, I'd never showcased it. I love shoes, I love sunglasses, I love clothes, accessories, the typical guy stuff, you know, watches and all that. So bikes are a part of my life that I would like to showcase. Now I decided I'll showcase the other part of my life as well. And let's put all these things aside. Here is the package. Like I told you, it came in 1-day shipping, and I've even captured a small footage of when I was ordering the shoe. Yay! Success. This is the first time I bought a Adidas Easy Boots 350 version 2 light shoes. I've been waiting for this since almost 2 days, and today finally they dropped it in adidas.com. This is one thing I really wanted from a long time. We have this in collection. Okay, this is the package here. Let's unbox it right away. I'll not call myself a sneakerhead and all that. I'm just getting into it. You know what I like of the package? You see this? Dear courier, thank you for your hard work. This is our very precious client. Please take the parcel carefully. So let's get ready to open some bliss. Oh yes, bubble wrap. Much needed. You have to protect some precious shoes, right? These are the Adidas Boost 350 Yeezys version 2 Lite. Simon, why is it like every time you buy something, the name is so huge? Like BMW 1250 GS Adventure, Kia Seltos 1.4 Turbo, GTX Plus. Oh yes, come close, come close. These are the shoes, dude. This is all the hype that I've been giving, and it is worth the hype, at least for a sneakerhead. No. Itna easy? No. Ladies and gentlemen, guys and girls, 120 FPS shots coming up in 3, 2. Anyways, that's how they look on my feet. I mean, this is not the attire. You need to wear definitely better clothes. They'll look dope. I'm in love with them. I have one Yeezys in my lot. Oh, one more thing I forgot to tell you. It seems these shoes change color, and not a complete shoe, but you see this? You see this particular patch over here? That turns into some orangish color, but we have to take it into the sun. Unfortunately, it is a cloudy day today, and it is gonna be like this for the next 1 month at least. So I'm not sure if this much of UV is enough to create that color. Let's see. Oh, actually it's turning. Oh yeah, there is a little bit of a difference. See, now it's turned into a little bit of a pale orangish color. So if proper sunlight shines on it, it is gonna be proper orange. Actually, not only that, I'm able to see a pinkish color appearing. You see this pinkish color appearing over here? I don't know if the camera is able to capture that, but yes. I think I'll wait for a proper sunny day and then I'll showcase it to you properly, the color change. I just showed these boots to someone whom I shouldn't show, that is Pooja. How are my new shoes?
You spent a bomb, no, again?
No, first when I asked Pooja how much do they cost, I mean guess maro bole to. She said 1 lakh rupees. Yeah. I'm like, I'm not that mad. I'll not spend that much for a shoe. Then she said 40,000. No, 60,000. I was like, aur thoda kam. Then she came to 40,000 and I was like, these are not riding boots. Riding boots might cost somewhere around 30 to 40,000 a climb wala, but I'm not mad to spend 40-50,000 on normal shoes like this. See, this is the only thing I spend on. Sunglasses, watches, clothes. Sometimes clothes. Not too expensive, but watches somehow after. See, there's one good thing about the Apple Watch. From the time Apple Watch came, I stopped buying watches. Actually, Pooja gave me like 3 or 4 watches. Yeah. No, 2 watches. Both of them broke. I fixed the glass as well. I stopped wearing them now because we have Apple Watch.
Oh, kadar nahi hai wife ka gift ka.
Wife ka gift is very precious, so I kept it inside without using it. I don't wear and tear on it, you know. You see, if you thought I've spent too much of money on a shoe, check this out. These are Yeezys world over, all different designs, but every design has a different price.
I love the red one.
You see this? Wow. The red one is 94,000 rupees.
I love it. It's amazing.
It's 94,000 rupees unless you can give me a gift.
So what?
I cannot buy it.
So आज मैं बहुत सोचता.
इसको देख 81,000, 31,000. Adidas sells it for on their website officially 22,000 max. People resell it for almost double the price, 40,000, 50,000. So Shriman did an investment. If I want to resell it, please anyone let me know if you want it. Just kidding. I want to own a pair of Yeezys. I want one in my collection. So no selling. I'm going to keep it. Shoe investment, you don't know this. World over, it's a craze, you know that? People do this reselling business. They buy originals and they sell it for prices like this. See, 1 lakh. 95,000 rupees. So you can gift me one anyway. You are pending one gift. You have to give one gift for my birthday. You remember?
You
2020 ka.
You too.
2021 ka.
You too.
I'm ready. You tell me what do you want. You are not asking anything. I said I want shoes, but I'm waiting for something. New shoes that is gonna get released. Then I'll ask you. And those shoes, amazing. Did you guys like it? It's not necessary everyone should like it, but I like it. I'm happy with my purchase. But oh yes, these shoes you can sell it for almost at least 7 to 10,000 rupees of profit immediately the next day. Today if I checked it, it is almost like 8,000 more. And there are some special editions that go for almost 1 lakh. 1.5 lakhs. Oh, by the way, yesterday was Janmashtami and unfortunately I was not at home, but Naisha was looking so cute. Pooja and my mom, they dressed up Naisha like a small cute Krishna ji and she looks adorable. I was not there, but perks of having a vlogger's wife, you get these clips.
Wow, Naishu. Naishu, come here. My baby Krishna. Very cute. Naishu, stay here. Krishna ji dhoti ke mein. इधर आओ, Naishu. ऐसे खड़ी हो. Say hi. Say hi, Naishu. नाइशू हाय बोलो. ओ नाइशू इधर देखो बेटा. और ये कृष्ण तो बहुत भागता है. ये तो नटखट नंबर 1 है. नाइशू ऐसे करो. अरे वाह क्या खा रही हो तुम. नाइशू स्माइल. वेरी गुड.
Such a cutie she is, right? ఇలాంటివి నేనున్నప్పుడు ఆర్డర్ చేయకుండా నిమిషాలు చెప్పా.
నువ్వు వెళ్ళిపోతా అన్నాను, ఆర్డర్ చేశారా? నువ్వు వెళ్ళలేదు.
దిస్ ఇస్ నాట్ హ్యాపెనింగ్. అస్సలు అయితే లేదు. దున్న పొట్లా తింటున్నా ముందు కూర్చొని. లేట్గా రావచ్చు రాదు, నేను వెళ్ళిపోతుండే ఇప్పటికీ. మరి ఇట్లా టైం మెయింటైన్ చేయకరా.
చేస్తాను.
యూ సైడ్ విల్ కమ్ at 7, you came at 7 sharp. Just 39 seconds late. దున్న పొట్లా తింటున్నా పక్కన కూర్చొని. I mean, look at the dessert, dude.
అంటే ఇంకో సగం అందులో ఉందా?
That's only half is there. అన్యాయం రాది.
వాఫ్లు ఉంది భయ్యా. బా
ఉంటుంది. చరణ్, how are you able to resist this?
ఫుల్. ఇక్కడ ఓరో బిస్కెట్ ఉండే రప్ప చెప్పిండాడు. ఫుల్ అంట.
I didn't touch at all.
నేనే మాట్లాడతా.
A very strict diet going on.
నేను తినవద్దా? రేపు ఏమైనా అయితే నీ పైన వేస్తాను నేను.
నీకు అయితేనే ఉంటుంది. Oh, by the way, the ride that we are planning, Charan gave a lot of hype about it, but that's not happening. We become too dull, dude. We are planning this ride since the last 2 weeks.
Plan kaadu, just weather.
Thing is, I don't like riding in rain. Charan doesn't like riding in rain. I said we'll take the car and go. I was planning about the Seltos drive, na? Like long drive, because anyways, it's full on monsoon.
Then
And I
also-
hate drive. Huh?
కార్ అయితేనే వస్తా.
అవునా? Like seriously, will come? ఎక్కడ పోదని చెప్పు. I really
అన్ని
wanted.
bike అయితే కదా.
I wanted to go out. Doesn't matter bike or car. I really wanted to get out now. ఎప్పుడు వచ్చినాం రా లదాఖ్ నుంచి? It's been almost 45 days plus. And I did not. By the way, I have to go start my bike. Please remind me that. 12:50 को start करके literally 45 days. It came from Ladakh and I put it there and I put a cover on it. Abhi tak I did not start it.
I started my bike.
You started it just for the sake of it. Seriously, we'll go car mein. Someone please convince these people we want to go out. At least 5-6 days ka ride.
తొమ్మిది వేలు
ride
బొక్క.
drive. అరే కమ్ విల్ గో. ముద్దుడుచుకో. నువ్వు తినవని నాకు తెలుసు, అందరు చెప్పకట్లా. ఇలా ఉంటే పెళ్లి చూపుల్లో ఎట్లయితే చెప్పు. అమ్మాయిలు ఎట్లా చూస్తారు ముఖం అంతా చాక్లెట్ పెట్టుకొని.
Cut చేస్తే better ఏమో.
No, అది on a serious note. Should we go? When will you come? When is it possible for you?
Second week.
Hey, once again, if we 3 of us go, no, it is gonna be Mahabaleshwar trip.
ఇంకొన్న తీసుకెళ్దాం రా, ప్లీజ్ రా.
No, on a serious note, I actually wanted to do a long drive in the Seltos. Actually, if no one comes, na, I'll try to convince Pooja. I'll take Pooja and Naisha and go. Just 4-5 days I want to go.
వామిటింగ్ అవుతుంది నాకు.
She'll get used to this. Someday she has to get used to it. I know she'll puke, Naisha, but
అలవాటు చేయడం అంటే ప్రతి అరగంటకి వామిటింగ్ చేపించడం కాదు.
బాడీకి అలవాటైపోతుందా? అరగంట విల్ బికమ్ 1 hour, 1 hour విల్ బికమ్ 2 hours. నేను వెళ్ళేసరికి 24 hours పడుతుంది.
ఈ పేషెంట్ అని కూడా తీసుకెళ్ళు, పీకులాగా పైన వచ్చేయమని.
నైసా పైనుంచి అయితే వేరే దగ్గర నుంచి ఎవ్రీ హాఫ్ అన్ అవర్.
చచ్చిపోతారా నేను ఎవ్రీ హాఫ్ అన్ అవర్.
By the way, we have a genuine concern. Adi did a gundu, right? From that time, he's not getting hair back. His gaddam is coming fast, his beard is growing very fast. Like 2 days back, he shaved and it is like this.
ఇంకా చెప్పురా, ఇంకా చెప్పు.
Somehow he's not able to grow his hair. Why?
బ్రో యాక్చువల్లీ చాలా ఎక్కువ గ్రో అయిందిరా. ఇది ఆల్మోస్ట్ ఎంత, 2 months అయింది.
2 months,
months
I think
kinda-
it should be more, dude. 2 months. That is 60 days.
కొంచెం ట్రిమ్ చేయాలి, చేస్తే స్టార్ట్ అవుతుంది మళ్ళీ. వీళ్ళు
కొంచెం ట్రిమ్ అంటే చేయరా, ఏదో గ్రోత్ ఫార్మ్లా చెప్తున్నాడు మావాడు.
అన్ని ఫార్ములాలే.
Look who's here.
Baby, happy, happy.
Hi.
Hi, baby.
Coming, wait. Chalo then, I hope you guys have enjoyed this vlog and hope you guys blessed me with more and more shoes. Anyway, life's good. There are more important things to do in life than just collecting these things. Now, to be honest, I'm not much of a materialistic person. I enjoy spending my own hard-earned money into all these watches, gadgets, cars, bikes, shoes, clothes, sunglasses and all that. But these are just like tiny microscopic desires that I have. Every once in a while, I would definitely like to give myself something that makes me happy. Not the soul happy, but in general, that good feeling for that particular moment. That's so then let's end the vlog here. Hope you guys have enjoyed this vlog. In case you did, you guys know what to do. Hit the like button, do share, do comment, do subscribe, and I will see you in the next vlog. Most probably, in case you guys are interested in that complete collection of my shoes, I'll do that. Let me know in the comment section.